I'm about to replace this one. This one has been getting really old and the rubbish is coming out. So first thing is, I guess the replacement part from Amazon. But I looked everywhere else, couldn't find anything, couldn't find any video or instruction on how to remove this easily. So this is what I'm looking to do is I'm trying to pry up this part which is holding this. Might not be easy, but let's give it a try. So the goal is to pry this out. Once we have this out, we can side out the whole thing. Hopefully that goes easy. Okay, there we go. Here we go. Where is it? Right here. Whoa. All right, let's try another tool. That did not work well. Okay, there you go. Okay, looks like I picked this up. Now we're gonna try to pull it up the entire piece. Back it up. Sometimes it's hard. Get a tool to help the plier. Just be careful not to scratch the paint. There you go. Now it comes up. As you can see, this part is off. Now the Amazon part I replaced my gut. They put a cheap plastic on this, so I'm gonna salvage this instead of the one that comes with it. Take a look at this. This one is good. Actually, it's good. So I'm just gonna use what is on here. Okay, let's clean it up a little bit. Look how dirty it is. One thing you want to do is make sure you have the window fully down so it, you don't break it accidentally. Okay, now that should be clean. Let's try it up. I'm gonna spray a little bit lubricant. Make sure it's it doesn't damage the one that doesn't damage the plastic or rubber. Okay, first thing first, you want to slide this part back into where the mirror housing is. It's about this much. Okay. Now we're gonna push it down where the clip can sit. Yeah, you want to make sure everything is in. Alright, looks like we have done it. Like 5 minutes job. Now we're gonna continue the rear part. Okay, let's make sure it's secure. It's pretty secure to me. Alright, let me open the front door. Give me some space to side this thing out. So the second part, you see that? The chip plastic came out. I'm just gonna replace them. I'm gonna put in part 2 after I replace this one, and I'm gonna upload part 2 to you guys.